Hey guys, just got back from the grocery store. So, do a little quick haul. I gotta go back to my second grocery store. And then I have to reorganize the refrigerator because when you have a man and kids, can never keep nothing nice and neat. See? A mess. So I'm coming back, I'm gonna do that. I gotta go to I gotta go to Publix and get the rest of the little stuff I need to get in fruits and vegetables and a hater.
And a Facebook mama.
Stop! Oh my god. So I'll get back with you guys in a few. I'm just gonna put the cold stuff up real quick because I gotta go back to the store.
What are you showing me?
Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm in here about to do the kitchen and the pantry. Just went grocery shopping and it look a mess. So we just need to get it together. Me and the little baby. Say hey mama. Say hey mama. Don't say no. Say hey mama. Y'all, she like to be on the camera. But yeah, we about to get into it. Let me show y'all what it look like. A mess. Hold on. Huh? He done. I gotta like do it again if I need it. So this. So that's the pantry. I just hate that the people did not go like, see how they only did 3 rows. They didn't do like, they should have did all the way down, like so ghetto. So that's that. Go ahead, dear. I'm not going that way. And then, so we got some groceries down here and the rest on the table. And I don't really have a lot of cabinets, so we don't have a lot of space. We just have up here. And Zuri, could you want to be on the camera? So, and then just got a couple cabinets up here, and then of course down there, and then down there. And then the refrigerator. So we just went grocery shopping and shit. So I had to get all these groceries and put them up. And then I put all the cold stuff, you know, already up because we was going to multiple stores. So the freezer is pretty much okay organized. And then I have a deep freezer with like more meat in there. But it can't really get a lot of stuff in here just because it's, you know, tight. And so I just open the refrigerator. So just went grocery shopping. I'm about to put all my fruit up. So this is the way it looks. Hold on. So this is the way it looks right now. So we're about to get it cleaned up. So it pretty much got a lot of stuff in here. I just need to like organize it. Some fruit I just bought. So that's why you see the eggs in here. And then, you know, fruit, sodas, juices. I'm about to cook dinner, so that's that, and then that. So yeah, milk and stuff. And then I hate because I need to get, you see how like these are like too heavy with like the juice and stuff. I don't want that to break. I hate that like that. But otherwise, yeah. So that's what we're about to do. Put this stuff up. Try to do a little organization with a little COVID baby. She want to be a crybaby. Crybaby Zuri. Crybaby. So, yes, y'all. I see why people can't listen. We cannot get nothing done with this baby. It's just like nothing. Right, Zuri? So, this is what you want me to do. But I got stuff to do. So, yeah, so, y'all, she loves to be in front of the camera. She wanted in front of the camera all day long. So what we're about to do is try to get some of this stuff organized and get stuff done. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video. You're not coming closer. Oh, I had Rice Krispie treats down here. Let's see what we put these bags in. Why I bought it so much. She trying to come to you?
Yes.
Why she can't come closer to her breader?
Well, I heard from this one man. I don't even know. I forgot because we so many apartments and we get by the time I call these guys. I don't even know this one man. I gotta go back on there. Don't know the zip code. You gotta punch in all these different zip codes to find the phone number that look like a number that you call and all that. That's how you have to do it. They, you keep, I try to, because they got like 20 different codes, 20 different area codes.
Krispy Kreme so far.
Yeah, you have about 20
Donuts.
And you have to, if somebody say call back,
Yeah.
I'll call them tomorrow and see.
See how hard this gets up done with her? Just busy. Just busy.
Fill out the paper while you're there, and you send it back to the people. I think. I don't remember. But I mean, I could look it up.
So, yeah, we have it here. Just unloading That's a bottle station. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna probably put music on.
No, go ahead.
Okay. Y'all love public access. This is good too. Buy one get one free. Have to get my buy one get one free. Ketchup, buy one get one free. Cause condiments be high as hell. Well, everything high, you know. So, you just have to get in when you fit in. Got her new sippy cup. What, mama? Really, Larry? See y'all down there. Being bad. Oh, we had something like snacks. Larry, get down. You don't want to be on video like you better than everybody. Huh? You check your food? The refrigerator. Get something for snacks.
Who that is? That's the mama. That's the mama's. That's the mama.
Wow. Oh, we're gonna do it all in bags.
Yeah, I
I got some containers. I think I'm gonna put the strawberries and grapes in here. Got an egg container. And I buy this stuff from and then I got this. I think I got this from TJ Maxx. I buy a lot of this stuff from TJ Maxx or Bells. They always be having like little sales. But of course some people go to the container store and different stuff like that. So we put all these in the refrigerator. I was looking for something to put like the little snacks in or whatever. So until I get some more like organization stuff. And those at IKEA and I couldn't find nothing like that. They didn't really have a lot of stuff. So I'm trying to find something that I can like use, you know? So work with what you got, right? snacks. Refrigerator for the kids.
Okay, he said he was not. I know. Okay, here she go.
Yeah, so
She laughing.
I gotta find something to put in the bag.
You hear?
Yes, I keep my bags. I used to use them a lot, like when I had the daycare at home, so kids always had to go poop. But still, I keep my bags. Cause my baby like to go poop. I buy a bag for it. Just never know what you need bags for. I usually throw food out and
The Arizona?
and stuff like that. So. Throw them down here for right now. I gotta find a container. Another container somewhere. Okay, let me get the rest of the food on the table. So yeah. So now.
Where's the
In the
case?
dining room.
Some people out there.
I have to go to like Walmart because they let you get as many as you want of these. And like when I go to Publix and stuff like that, they only allow you to get 2. What's wrong with her now? You made her upset? Huh?
Actually, let me check. I think the diner thing is small. You know, I don't really need box flowers right now. I think everyone needs to be just respectful.
My sister turned me on to this. I like it. I like spicy stuff anyway, so spaghetti noodles.
Alright, now, do I know what it is? Not really. Alright, so I'm gonna call it over here.
Okay, so this is the rest of the haul. So go through it quick, just complete size that baby food. Maybe we like these.
There you go.
And it's convenient with the top. So spaghetti sauce, canned goods, grits, baby food, cereal, chips and stuff. Just like little snacks, noodles, Capri Sun cereals, and all that stuff. These are actually good. These are like some new cookies I got. So those are actually really good. And then Sundays. Yep. So that's staying, of course, like water and stuff.
Those are here.
So yeah. So I'm about to like put that up real quick somewhere, do something with it, and then I'm fin to do the refrigerator. And then I'm like gonna wash the fruit, and I'm trying to find some mason jars. Couldn't find none, so I'm just gonna wash the fruit and put it in this. My grapes and strawberries, I'm gonna put them in here. So I'm gonna clean this out, spray it in, wash it. So hopefully that'll make it last long. Or I might put them in these I bought glass containers, so I might do that too. Probably put the strawberries in here. And put the grapes in here. And then let me show you. So we'll probably put the strawberries in this, because they say it's like try to get like a mason jar or whatever. And then put the grapes in here. Then my eggs, and then something with that. I got more storage stuff. It's just packed up in here somewhere, so yeah. But that's it, and then we'll be done. So I'll be back. Hey y'all, family finished. So we have this. It's clean. Try to organize the best way I can, but there's a lot of stuff in here. So like right here, I try to like salads. I got some juices back there. Got some fruit, cheeses. Oh, that's like fruit and that and stuff. And cheeses, sausage, and hash browns, breakfast stuff. And I'll keep all the condiments and like little waters on this side. Water, milk and juice, and water. I try to put a lot of pressure, heavy stuff, but it's already is, because you can see it's like milk and juice and stuff right there. So yeah, that's that. Girl, what you lying for? Say hey. It's a little crybaby. She done threw all the toys on the floor, y'all. Everything. So the best part we can do for now. I'm just trying to get dinner done. I'm tired. So probably just gonna end the vlog here. I got a few more things to put up, but I mean, it's fine. So I'll see y'all again. Bye.